Enjoy welding with YesWelder.
My name's Tyler Sasse, and I live here in Gillette, Wyoming. So I own Western Welding Academy. We train welders and we send them all over the country, and we really love what we do. I started welding when I was 18 years old. I actually dropped out of high school when I was 16. And in my mind's eye, a welder was just like this greasy old dude that, you know, was very low skilled, and I just didn't realize how much money you can make. I said, hey, what's it gonna take to start a school in Wyoming? We started Western Welding Academy in August of 2019. I had $50,000 set aside in a little startup seed money fund. Danny Kiderling stops in one day and I said, hey, how do you feel about coming down to Western Welding Academy and being an instructor?
So my name is Danny Kiderling. I'm one of the co-founders here at Western Welding Academy. I've been doing this since I was just a wee little tyke. When I was younger, I just really enjoyed being in the garage with Dad, you know what I mean? As a rig welder, traveled the nation, passed any tests you could do. And I just really wanted to get that real experience when I had the opportunity with Tyler to become an instructor here to show people the real world and how I did it.
So these are students here that have come from all over the place to come and learn the tricks and trades of welding pipe here at Western Welding Academy. So super proud of you guys. Thanks for coming out and joining us.
We start school about 5:30, 5:45 every day.
We say the pledge right after a safety meeting.
Every safety meeting starts with Pledge of Allegiance. We're really proud of the fact that we're American-owned, operated by real pipe welders. We run this place just like a real job site. It's supposed to have that real training, real feel, hence the dirt on the floor. You're just not gonna get that anywhere else except right here at Western Welding Academy. We primarily teach pipe welding. This is one of our pipe rack simulators, so this is where we teach in-position pipe welding. This one's on wheels. We can roll it around anywhere in the school. Pipe welding is the highest skill set in the welding industry because our students can walk out of here and they can go anywhere in the welding industry. So over here, we've got some of our booths. We just put these booths up. There's 20 of them here. We've rigged them up. The color codes are really important to us. So over here at Western Welding Academy, this is where the students come to get all their consumables, the wire wheels, the grinding wheels, the welding rods, everything that they need while they're on shift. It's just like an industrial tool room, set up the field, just like a real job site.
My name is Alicia Walker, and I'm the tool room lady. I love the people, I love the experience. I never welded before. It's always something new every day, and our instructors jump in and they help the students become who they want to become.
My name is Gabriel Gallegos. I'm from Dallas, Texas.
I'm Chase Peters. I'm from Dallas, Texas, and I'm here at Western Welding Academy.
I'm currently a student at Western Welding Academy.
After I graduate here, I'm going to go to a fab shop for a little bit, make some money, hopefully get rigged out within a year, and then after that, try and go pipeline.
After my program's over here, I got a couple options. Probably going to go back down to Texas, down south, and work some refineries, chemical plants, things like that.
%98 of our students here at Western Welding Academy come from out of state. We've got a big map, and when you come in from out of state, we let you put a pin on there. All 50 states, you know, we're really focused on America. We're not trying to take the students from other countries or anything. We feel like America has a blue-collar problem, and we're trying to solve that.
Our long-term goal is to basically change the way the world views working with your hands.
It's almost kind of a dying trade right now because just the quality of hands are not there anymore.
America's dying from within because of the lack of the blue-collar trades. And if you like to work with your hands and you like getting dirty and you like making a lot of money and you don't want to go to college for 4 years, the trades are for you. I mean, they're calling for you. They need you. We have a saying here at Western Welding Academy that we're just like, we're just too dumb to give up. Whatever it takes, we're just going to keep putting power to the pavement. Nathan Ponder is a prime example of what I'm talking about.
Hello, my name is Nathan Ponder. I am co-founder here at Western Welding Academy.
His very first day on the job He walks through the shop door, and like 3 feet in, there was a broom just laying there. And he picked up the broom and started sweeping the floor. We didn't hire him to sweep the floor. And every single team member here has that same idea and the same commitment, which is extremely powerful.
Yeah, there's nothing else I want to do besides what I'm doing now. I mean, it's what I love. Hopefully I can keep my eyesight and all my fingers and toes so I can keep doing it. But
honestly, you couldn't have anything in the world without welders. Welders basically build the whole entire world. I mean, it's even in outer space. Like I tell people, I got welds that are actually underground 2 miles, and then welds that are actually out in outer space. That's passion to me, to be proud of what you're doing and doing it to your fullest abilities that you can do.
See that, Mason? Always soft clap in front of the talent.
Huh? No, I'm good, dude. We just got to do a little cutting video. So.
Great, this is Plasma Cutting 101. Take 1, marker.
What's going on, guys? Danny Kiderling here again with Western Welding Academy. Today we're going to be doing a little Plasma Cutting 101. We got some, we got Evan Hurtado here. I'm going to start that over.
Here, I'll leave it open for you. This is kind of cool. I get some cool depth this way.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so what do you got?
Right here, this is one of the welding booths here at the Academy. This is for the newer students. It's one of the bigger booths. And yeah, you just come in here, learn how to weld, and that's it.
Cool. Thank you.
Awesome, thank you.
Good morning.
Late.
Huh?
Always late.